Hey guys, this is Andy again, back with another video, but today we're going to do an unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, I do gameplay tutorials and also product reviews. If you like what you see, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'll end up having links in the description in case you're curious about the items that I have in the video. Thanks. Hey guys, so today in this video we're going to end up unboxing the Samsung portable SSD T5. It's the 1TB form. It connects to Windows, Mac, and also Android. I'm not going to go into the specs because at the same time I do know that there's a bunch of videos on YouTube that go into more detail than I could possibly do. What I am going to show you is the items that come inside the box, basically so you can have an idea of what you're actually getting when you're purchasing this item. So I've already cut the sticker on the back. Now it makes it easier so I could end up getting the SSD out. It's not that big. I like the fact that it's kind of compact. That's the thing. And that's the SSD. Pretty small. I like it. The connection that it ends up having is a Type-C. So that's how you end up connecting it. Then if you stand it up, as you can tell, it's not so big. I end up having my little amiibo as basically a frame of reference to show you that it's really not big at all. So let me put these two things to the side and place this one down because at the same time I'm not trying to drop it. So there is a little starter guide, some useful information that actually comes inside. So in case you ever want to read it, it's a good idea to read it if you want. It does come with two cables. It ends up having basically a Type-C to Type-C. This is for like your Apple devices. Then your Type-C to USB. So this is basically so you could end up connecting to any Windows devices or items that actually have a USB connection. And that's pretty much it that comes inside the box. So with that ends this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below if you like what you see. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell, that way you're informed whenever I do other unboxing or whenever I upload other videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Bye.